Hello everyone, today we're unboxing the brand new Xiaomi 17 Max. The fourth member of Xiaomi 17 series was officially launched in China on May 25th, 2026. Inside the box is another box that has the SIM ejector tool, a jelly case, and some paperworks. After that, we've got the phone itself. This one is the white color, but this is also available in black and blue color variants as well. The Xiaomi 17 Max has a sleek, modern design with flat edges and a refreshed camera module than its more premium sibling, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Gone is the rear screen and was replaced by the typical square-shaped camera module with the Leica branding. Included also in the box is a 100 watts fast charger and the USB-C cable. The Xiaomi 17 Max features a 6.9-inch M1012-bit OLED panel with 1.5K resolution, up to a 120Hz refresh rate, and third-generation Dragon crystal glass. It also supports up to 3,500 nits peak brightness, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, 1,920Hz PWM dimming, and DC dimming. Camera-wise, the device is equipped with a Leica triple lens rear camera system, including a 200 megapixel main sensor with multi-frame fusion computational photography, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Up front is a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Inside is the 3nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 8, Elite Gen 5 octa-core processor, Adreno 840 GPU, 12GB or 16GB LPDDR5X RAM, a 256GB or 512GB, UFS 4.1 storage, a dual nano SIM, and an 8,000 mAh battery with 100 watts, wired fast charging, and 22.5 watts wired reverse charging via USB-C. Other features include an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, an infrared sensor, high-res audio, stereo speaker, Dolby Atmos, a 4-microphone array, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, Galileo, and GPS. The Xiaomi 17 Max starts at 4,799 Chinese yuan, around 43,000 Philippine pesos, for the 12GB 256GB model, and goes up to 5,799 Chinese yuan, around 53,000 Philippine pesos, for the 16GB plus 512GB variant. Hopefully, Xiaomi bring this model in the Philippines as well. But what do you think? Will you consider this phone if it becomes available in the Philippines? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.